The Meng Impact Investing Fund at Yale SOM really started as an idea back in 2019 among a small group of students in Sue Carter's Private Capital and Impact Investing course. SOM should start their own student-led impact investment fund, investing real dollars into real companies. We received our initial seed investment from an SOM alum, Leon Meng, in 2022. The initial seed investment was $500,000, and we seek to make investments of $50,000, 1 to 3 investments per academic year.
We maybe just need to start off our pitch with a very simple, here's step by step how this thing works and how the returns come back.
Behind me right now is our climate deal team having one of their weekly meetings. The climate team is one of 4 deal teams that we have within Meng. We have a team focused on healthcare, financial inclusion, education and workforce development, and then climate. Each of the 4 teams operates as kind of an independent unit throughout the year, sourcing, diligencing, and ultimately pitching at least one investment to our investment committee at the end of the year. We found that a lot of students coming into Yale SOM are interested in building careers in impact investing, but when they get on campus and start looking for their first internship, they find it really hard to land that first kind of foot in the door experience. And so with the Meng Fund, we hope to give a broader group of graduate students from across Yale, not just Yale SOM, the actual kind of nitty-gritty, hands-on experience making these types of impact investing decisions and developing these muscles to be able to land that first internship or that first full-time role and then be off to the races.